Okay, today we are going to cook jackfruit, raw jackfruit in meat style, mutton style. So what we need green chilies, garlic, onion, ginger, some clove, see here, black pepper, tej pata, red chili, as I said, some onion and tomato, green peas, of course jackfruit. So I have removed the um, I've chopped it into small pieces. You can see the size, medium size pieces, right? Then meat masala. I typically use MDH meat masala, um, turmeric and salt. This is around 1.5 kilograms of jackfruit. For that I am using 1 kilogram of onion, 3 tomato, 150 gram of peas, of course chili as much as you like, garlic and ginger, some clove, black pepper and tej pata. Separately I have put the oil in the pan, which is hot now, and I'm going to basically cook it in a little different style compared to the conventional style where you first fry the jackfruit, keep it out, then you fry the onion and the spices, and then you add jackfruit. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to basically cook it in a way which will give you the same taste, but it takes much smaller time. Okay, so the first step, I'm going to put all these spices, green chili, ginger, garlic, all the raw spices, green chili, ginger, garlic, into the oil, and I'll also add the jackfruit in it, and I'll make it, I'll let it fry for some time before I add onion. So while the jackfruit is getting fried in the onion, I will chop the tomato and the onions. So if you see, I have added all the raw spices in the oil, and I am allowing it to fry. And parallelly I'll add the jackfruit. I'll not fry the spices completely. Before that I'll add the jackfruit. So I have added jackfruit. I have mixed it with the spices in oil. It's getting fried. Now I'll add the turmeric powder and the salt. Now the salt will basically accelerate the softening process, and hence it will also accelerate the frying process. So water comes out because of the salt, and that kind of accelerates this whole process. And once the jackfruit is soft enough and a little bit brown, then I'm going to add onion into it. So I've been cooking this since almost 5-6 minutes. Now I'll add the green peas in it, so that the green peas also get some time and get fried in the oil before we add the spices and then the onion. Okay, so we have been cooking this since almost 13-14 minutes. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the spices. The meat masala, as I said earlier, right? So the reason I'm adding meat masala or the spice at this stage is so that the spice is properly and completely cooked in the oil. You get the best flavor from the spices only when you have cooked it in the oil, and the oil from the spices actually comes out and mixes with the oil that you are using for cooking. Parallelly, I chopped the tomato and the onion. So I use this time to basically do all the chopping, and I'm going to mix it, right? And we'll fry these spices for almost 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll add onion into it. So this is how it look like. I have mixed the spices with it. I'll fry it for another 1 to 1.5 minutes. I missed to tell you that I have added around 45 grams to 50 grams of spice into it. Since I'm basically using a lot of onions, and this itself is 1.5 kilograms of jackfruit, you need some good amount of spices. Onion makes it a bit sweet, so that is balanced by the spices that you add. So we have fried the spices. Now I'm going to add the onions. So I have mixed the onion with it, and I'm going to basically cook it for another 10 minutes. So onion will lose water, will get softened, and once onion is softened, I'll basically add the chopped tomato. We'll cook it for another 2 minutes, and then I'll add water, and we'll put that apply the lid and cook it under pressure for something like 15 minutes.